So hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix widgets not working on iPhone in iOS 17. So guys, many iPhone users are complaining that after updating to iOS 17 their widgets are not working properly and they don't know how to fix this. So guys, if you are also facing this issue and you are looking for a fix, so you have came to a right video. In this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix this issue. First of all, you have to restart your iPhone. A simple restart can often fix minor software glitches that may be preventing widgets from working properly. Simply you have to go to your settings and go back and then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone, wait for a few seconds and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. For restarting your iPhone, then you have to check your internet connection. Widgets need an internet connection to work properly. Make sure you have a strong and stable internet connection. So you have to make sure that you have a strong and good internet connection signals. After this, then you have to update the app that you're using widgets from. Outdated app can sometimes cause problem with widgets. So you have to make sure the app which you are using is up to date. Then you have to enable background app refresh for the app you are using widgets, or you can simply enable your background app refresh. For doing this, you have to go to your general, then tap on background app refresh, again tap on background app refresh, and if it's disabled or off, then simply enable it. After enabling it and you're still facing the same issue, then you have to remove and add the widgets again. Sometimes removing and adding the widgets again can fix problems with them, so you have to simply remove and add them again. After applying this all solution and you're still facing the same issue again and again, then you have to try last solution, reset all settings. This could fix your problem. For doing this, simply you have to go back, then tap on general, scroll down and then tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset, tap on reset all settings, enter your password and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.